Hi, this is Ritika Dotto. It is my pleasure and privilege to stand before you today as I complete my course in Advanced Excel and Artificial Intelligence from C-Cube Computer Training Center. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the entire C-Cube team for providing me with this wonderful learning opportunity. This course has helped me develop not only my technical skills but also my confidence in using technology effectively. I am especially thankful to all my teachers and trainers for their patience, guidance, and continuous support throughout the course. Learning Advanced Excel has helped me improve my ability to manage, analyze, and present data efficiently. I am truly grateful to C-Cube Computer Training Center for creating such a positive and supportive learning environment. Thank you.